I have for you the Ulta. They do have a new sample kit available. It's their MVP Skin Routine Kit. Refresh your skin and get 9 must-have grooming products. Now the kit does retail for $30 and enjoy Beauty Finds by Ulta Beauty's MVP Skin Routine this season with the most talked about samples for men with some awesome reviews. So if I do get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Now the kit will include a Bill Jealousy Leave-In Conditioner 0.5 ounces, a Clinique for Men face scrub 0.5 ounces, a Jet Black Turbo Wash Energizing Cleanser 1 ounce, a Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser 1 ounce, a Mario Badescu Gentle Foaming Cleanser 1 ounce, Proactive Skin Purifying Mask 0.33 ounces, Strivectin Anti-Wrinkle Intensive Eye Concentrate plus 4 wrinkles, that is a 0.025 an ounce, Sunday Riley UFO Ultra Clarifying Acne Treatment Face Oil 0.17 of an ounce, and a Tula the Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser that is 1 ounce. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.